This problem asks us to find the rate of increase for a linear graph. So just a little bit of a shortcut here. Rate of increase is really just slope is all we're really talking about here. Okay, that's a shortcut, but let's do it for honest here. So the first question we have to ask, that is prompted here, is how much does it cost to transport 0 tons? So to figure out what the transport cost is for 0 tons in this picture, I'm going to look along the x-axis, which represents tons, and I'm going to look for the value of 0. And then from that point, I'm going to go up to the graph of the line, and notice that the outcome is 750. So for how much does it cost to transport 0 tons, the answer here is $750. Done. Problem number 2. How much does it cost to transport 1 ton? So again, tons is along the x-axis, so I'm going to now go along the x-axis till I find the number 1 representing 1 ton, travel up to the picture, and then figure out what its output is. And it looks like its output is 875. So the dollar amount here is going to be $875. Okay? Now, what is the rate of increase? Now, just like slope, right, rise over run, change in y over change in x, the rate of increase here is going to be in units of dollars per ton. Right? How much does the cost go up per ton? So since we did 0 and 1, conveniently, we can just take those two numbers, which have a difference of 1 ton, and figure out how much it went up by over those two values. So 1 ton was 875, 0 tons was 750, and if I subtract those two numbers, looks like I get 125. And so $125 per ton is the rate of increase in this problem. Interestingly, in the context of this problem, since the cost to transport 0 tons of the object was actually $750, that means that it costs something to whatever, buy the truck or rent the truck or whatever. So the rate of increase, 125, is different than the cost to transport 1 ton. But if something special happened, right, if the graph went through 0, 0, right? In other words, if we knew that it went through the origin, then an interesting subfact here is that the rate of increase is the cost of 1 unit. The cost of 1 unit. So this does not happen all the time. It doesn't happen in this case because it didn't go through 0, 0. It went through 0, 750. So you can always get the rate of increase by subtracting the two values from the 1 ton and the 0 ton. But if you're lucky and your graph goes through the 0, 0, you have a nice little shortcut that can make it a little faster for you.